Let's go. You can have peace, sunshine, G. But right now I got my mind set up. Looking down the barrel, I'm a nut. Get up, 'cause it's time to make the pain go back up. I'm a blood, better stay strapped up. And accept no substitutes. I bring truth to the youth, tear a roof for bones. Oh no, I'm on turning in the cheek. In case you can't see us while we burn the other week. Now we got them in the smash, blast. I don't wanna last to the road, get no cash. Let's go, this raise up. Tell my young black males, blaze up. Like some extra stress, test. I'm giving up that bless and living blessed. Much love to my brothers in the pen. See you when I free you, if not when they shut me in. Once again, it's an all-out strap. Your hands in the gap, now your boys watch your back. In the alleys, I'm Cali, I'm a tell ya. It's still the best and the best will kill. Scream if you feel me. Say sad, you're too near me. Let's go, Colombia. Come on. I'll let you hear me. I'll let you hear me. Come on, man, if it's like this, I'll let you hear me. Pump, pump, if you this. To the sellouts, living it up. One way or another, you be giving it up. Yeah. Yes, 'cause I'm black born. I'm supposed to say it. Same songs to get that known. But it's time for a new plan. I'm singing like a one-man plan. Here we go, turn it up. Come on. What you got? Yes, yes. Come on, come on. Nice. Colombia. Say hello, what you got? DJ, turn it down all the way. Listen, this is a battle. Don't walk in front of the judges, man. There's like 2 or 3 people walking in front of the judges in one battle. Like, come on. They need to see what's happening, okay? Everybody understand? Yeah. Thank you. Okay, judges, who's